Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making a Australian Lamington. What's so special about the Australian Lamington? Well, for years, Stu has been obsessed with Australian cuisine, and I promised to make him a Lamington for months and months, till finally today, his wishes are coming true. Now, this Australian Lamington is 95% traditional. I'll be putting my own 5% flair on making it a camper's version. Please join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, and we have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon. The link will be in the description below, along with our recipe and the links to the products you see us using here today. I'm super excited to make Stu's favorite lammy. Let's cook! Let's add half of the flour mixture and combine. So after we combined half of the flour mixture, we are going to add half of the 1 cup of milk or heavy cream into this batter. It's about half. Now I'll add the remainder of the flour mixture, and after that is combined, we will add the rest of our cream.